Hello and welcome. When you turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your Mac, you won't hear or see any incoming notifications. Don't worry, you will still be able to access them in the notification center. Do Not Disturb mode can be turned on by clicking on the Control Center icon on the menu bar and clicking on the Do Not Disturb button. You can set it on for an hour, until a later time today or tomorrow, or indefinitely. You will be able to see the Do Not Disturb end time at the top. The Do Not Disturb icon will appear on the menu bar when this is active. To turn it off, click on the Do Not Disturb icon on the menu bar and click on the highlighted option. If you don't see the Do Not Disturb icon, go to the Control Center, choose Do Not Disturb and turn it off there. To schedule Do Not Disturb mode, go to Notifications from the Do Not Disturb bubble or System Preferences. You can set it to be on during a period you specify here, or when your Mac is sleeping locked, or when you are screen mirroring. Check the last two options to give exceptions for incoming calls and repeated calls. Quick tip: you can simply turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode by holding the Option key on your keyboard and clicking on the date and time on the menu bar. To show the Do Not Disturb icon on the menu bar for easy access, go to the System Preferences, select Dock and Menu Bar. On the left panel, choose Do Not Disturb. Now check Show in Menu Bar and then choose whether you want to see the icon always or only when it's active. Uncheck the option to hide it. Please give this a like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.